Good morning, students. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Keeping this in mind, start practicing sums at least half an hour each day. Let's continue with plotting of rational numbers on the number line. Let me ask you a question. Yesterday we have plotted the numbers 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. But do you know which numbers are plotted on these points? Here is your answer. Since this is one part, we mark it as 1 by 4. These are two parts, we plot it as 2 by 4. Similarly, we can plot minus 1 by 4 and minus 2 by 4 here. Now let's learn how to plot or mark rational numbers whose numerator is greater than denominator. Let us plot 7 by 4 and minus 7 by 4. We try to plot 7 by 4 first. First step in these kind of problems, when numerator is greater than denominator, is to convert it into a mixed fraction form. You would have learned this in your earlier classes, but let me quickly show you how. We only have to divide 7 by 4. We get the quotient as 1 and remainder as 3. So we write the mixed fraction as quotient remainder by divisor. Quotient is the whole number part and remainder by divisor is the fractional part. So we can write 7 by 4 as 1 3 by 4. 1 is the whole number, 3 by 4 is the proper fraction part. This mixed number tells us where 7 by 4 should be plotted on the number line. 1 3 by 4 tells us that 7 by 4 lies between 1 and the next whole number, that is 2. So now we know 7 by 4 is between 1 and 2. So we draw the number line accordingly with just 0, 1 and 2 marked. The denominator of the proper fraction part tells us the number of parts each unit be divided into. Since it is 4, we divide the unit into 4 parts. This segment between 1 and 2 is divided into 4 equal parts. The numerator of the proper fraction tells us the number of parts away from 1, that is 3 parts away from 1. So we mark 7 by 4 here. What about minus 7 by 4? We can write minus 7 by 4 as minus 1 3 by 4. Now the number minus 1 tells us that minus 7 by 4 is between itself and the next number. Make note of the fact that next number will be on the left hand side. Minus 7 by 4 is a negative rational number. So the next number is minus 2. Now we can say minus 7 by 4 is between minus 1 and minus 2. The denominator tells us the number of equal parts each unit or segment is to be divided into. So dividing the line segment between minus 1 and minus 2 in 4 equal parts, we can mark minus 7 by 4. I hope the plotting of rational numbers is clear. Please practice it thoroughly and make a note of the summary in Maths Homework book. Copy this in your Maths Homework book. Children, homework for today is do example 1 and the first sum of do this box on page number 3. Thank you.